Question 29 says, what is the volume of this right triangular prism? So a prism is volume equals the area of the base times the height. So big B stands for area of the base. And in this case, our base is a triangle. So to get the big B, we would have to find the area of this triangle first. So I'm going to go out here and I'm going to do a little bit of scratch work. To get the big B, we need to find the area of a triangle, which is 1/2 base times height. The base here, we're going to let be 4, and the height's going to be 7. So for the area of the triangle, we're going to have 1/2, 4 times 7. Half of 4 is 2. 2 times 7 is 14. I just wrote 12. The area of the triangle is 14. That's going to give us our big B. That's the area of the base. So big B is going to be 14. The height of the prism is going to be 10.3 because it's from the base all the way up. So we would multiply those together. And 14 times 10.3 equals 144.2. And again, volume is always units cubed.